So check this out. 19-year-old Caroline Dias Goncalves, a Brazilian national and self-described asylum seeker, was detained by ICE near Grand Junction, Colorado, minutes after a routine traffic stop. And I guess people are upset about this. Make sure you like the video right here and check this out.
And ICE agents found a University of Utah student from Brazil. But the question even law enforcement is asking tonight is how? Right now, a University of Utah student is in ICE detention. With growing concerns surrounding her arrest, an internal police investigation is underway.
Yeah, Deanie, University of Utah student Caroline Dias Goncalves has lived in Utah for 12 years. But since after a recent trip to Colorado, she was arrested by ICE and now faces deportation. What is unclear is how she landed on ICE's radar in the first place.
She's being exposed to a lot of stress and fear right now.
Tonight, a University of Utah student, Caroline Dias Goncalves, is being held at an ICE facility in Aurora, Colorado. While not working on her case, immigration attorney Jonathan Shaw is well acquainted with the facility.
The conditions are very difficult. She's probably being held with people that could have been arrested because they are a danger to the community.
A week ago, Caroline was driving through Grand Junction when a Mesa County deputy pulled her over for driving too closely behind a semi-trailer. She was given a warning and sent on her way. But what happened next?
It does raise questions.
When Caroline exited the highway, she was stopped by ICE and arrested.
There's a gap there of how was it that immigration officials learned of her presence at that time, at that place, and were able to take her into custody.
Both the Grand Junction Police Department and the Mesa County Sheriff's Office say they were not working with ICE. In fact, deputies released this statement to KSL confirming an internal investigation, saying in part, "We don't investigate residency status in accordance with Colorado law and are conducting a full administrative review to ensure we acted within our policies and Colorado statute."
They're saying that they haven't shared any information. They don't know how.
But for now, the 19-year-old, a native of Brazil who grew up in Utah since she was 7 and has legal status as an asylum seeker, faces an uncertain future.
And tonight, we are in contact with Caroline's family and her attorney in Colorado, John Hyman. Now, he argues that this incident will not sit well, as Caroline has no criminal record. He said, quote, "This also borders on unconstitutional action as no warrant for her arrest was provided, and ICE arrested her without requesting identification."